Did you know that a single lightning bolt can contain enough energy to power an average home for over a month? In today's video, we'll explore how electricity is generated in lightning, a fascinating phenomenon that, despite being common, still holds many mysteries. How lightning forms. It all starts inside a thundercloud where particles of water, ice, and snow are constantly moving and colliding. These collisions separate electric charges. Positive charges rise to the top of the cloud, while negative charges sink to the bottom. This creates a strong electric field. Electric voltage. The difference in electric charge between the bottom of the cloud and the Earth's surface can reach up to 100 million volts. For comparison, a wall outlet provides just 120 volts, and high-voltage transmission lines typically carry up to 800,000 volts. So a lightning bolt is up to 1,000 times more powerful than the strongest electric lines. How electricity is generated. A lightning bolt is essentially a massive electric current, usually around 30,000 amps, but it can reach up to 300,000. To put that into perspective, a microwave uses around 10 amps. A lightning strike is like running 3,000 microwaves at once, all in a fraction of a second. Energy and temperature. During the strike, the air heats up to 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit hotter than the surface of the sun. This extreme heat causes the air to expand rapidly, which we hear as thunder. How much energy is in a lightning bolt? A single lightning bolt can release up to 5 billion joules of electrical energy. That's equivalent to the energy in 40 gallons of gasoline, more than 2 full car tanks. It's like the explosion of 2,600 pounds of TNT, a small bomb, or about 1/20th of a household's monthly energy consumption. Interesting facts. There are also so-called ball lightnings, a rare and still not fully understood phenomenon. Lightning can strike the same place multiple times. The Empire State Building, for example, is hit about 20-25 times a year. Lightning isn't just a light show in the sky. It's nature's own electricity generator. Although it lasts only a fraction of a second, its power and energy are truly astonishing. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.